Hello everyone, my name is Anwar Hussain. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a rule for attachment in Office 365 mail server. Just to remind you, this is a rule that is really important if you want to create secure based environment in your mail server. What you want to achieve if you want to make sure nobody can send or receive mail with a big attachment within your mail server, and if anyone send big attachment or attacker send a big attachment with a random mail to your server, it will kill your mail server. What you need to do? You need to specify a rule that will allow to send or receive mail within the mentioned attachment size. What we do to make it happen, let's go to mail admin panel and I will show you step by step how you can create a rule for the attachment policy. Look, you can see the dashboard. So let's move to the admin. In the admin panel, there is a left side show all. Click there. Scroll down, go exchange. Go left, mail flow, then create, then click this down drop, and you can see there is a option filter message by size. Click there. Okay, make the name for this rule attachment size policy and click this down drop. Apply this rule if, click this down drop and select any attachment on the left side. Size is greater than or equal to. Select, mention the size. Like you have a requirement, nobody can send attachment more than 10 Mbps size, or nobody can receive mail more than 10 Mbps attachment. So in that case, you need to mention the size limit. You can do one thing. If any mail more than 10 Mbps, that will come to one of the specific mail address, and if he approve the mail, then it will go to the recipient, or you can straight away you can do the block. So what I will do in this tutorial, I will show you how you can forward this mail to one of the recipient for the approval. So let's do, click forward the message for approval, and from there to these people, I mean mention one mail address who will approve. If it's really important mail, the attachment has come, then he can approve the mail or he can block the mail. So select one of the mail address from your list, then click OK. You have the requirement that you want to specify some of the email users who will not applicable for this rule. In this rule, you need to exclude someone who will get the attachment more than 10 Mbps. In that case, you add exception, then click this down drop, the sender, select the sender, is this person, select your desired mail address, click add, OK. Same thing for the receipt, add exception, select down drop, the recipient is this person, then select the mail, click add, then click OK. OK. Then the down drop, make it audit this rule with a severity level, make it high. If you have the requirement that no, you want to make the schedule that this rule will work from this date to this date, you can do. But in my case, I am making this rule as a permanent rule to make my mail security is high. Then go down and click save. So now our rule is created. Now let's see what happens if I send a big size of attachment within this mail server. So I will show you with the sending a big attachment size mail to this domain. Okay, my attachment is uploaded already, so let me send. Yes, look, the mail, I have sent one mail from my Gmail to this domain with a big attachment, but before I have created one rule where I mention more than 10 Mbps attachment. The mail has to come to one specific mail address for the approval. If I approve, then the mail will go to the recipient. Otherwise, if I do the reject, then straight away it will block this mail from my server. You can see the mail like that. The mail is, if really needed, you can see the mail. You can take the confirmation from the user or whatever. If you feel that no, this is not the important mail, straight away reject, send now. Then this mail will be straight away reject from the mail server. After doing the reject, what was happen in the sender side? He will get one notification that mail was rejected. Thank you so much for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.